Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Enjoy a virtual reality 360-degree VR video of a walk in this sweet, peaceful forest. If you're watching it on your phone, move your phone around and look in every direction possible and enjoy the views. If you're watching it on a computer, feel free to move the views around with your mouse. Have fun, people. Enjoy this calm, relaxing walk. No music at all, just natural sounds. You can listen to birdies, listen to natural sounds. No more iPad sounds.
Trees are so dry, no water.
It hasn't been raining, right?
For 3 months.
For 3 months here. So now there's a hazard of forest fire at the scenic spots here, at least in Hunan province of China. I hope people are responsible and after smoke they don't throw the cigarette. Imagine throwing one cigarette down there, what disasters you will cause. That's a lot of exercise today for me, old body.
Tomorrow our legs will be very
I mean, you see, I went up in the truck bed twice, up the mountain on that off-road, and then I had a paragliding flight, and I took my paraglider and walked to the road to get into the truck, and then we climbed how many meters? We climbed, and then we walked in a cave for 2 kilometers, and then now we are walking here. Hey, that's life of a traveler, right? Enjoying, watching new places, enjoying new places.
walk 600 meters. You have to climb this much. You will come or not?
I will come, of course. Why not?
I don't think so.
Take a good look at Mary's face. See if you can find Mary and us. I mean, Mary and me walking together. Ah, slide down the mountain. This is gonna be fun. Let kids slide down.
Everybody can do, I think.
Everybody can do?
Only
That's
to
great.
pay or not.
Oh, come on, man. I thought I would slide down the mountain. That would be fun. Ah, they closed it. Otherwise we could look at it. You would No, I I would not slide on that, man. This is 100%, you know, losing your little sweet bum bum ass.
Here they will put something on it, otherwise too slippery.
It is strictly prohibited to steal to slip. Okay. Who would do that? It means killing yourself.
It means hiding without permission and
All right. We are almost arriving to our car parking spot. Thank you very much, people, for watching this 360 virtual reality video of a walk in the forest, the scenic area at White Dragon Cave. After the cave, you take this nice, you know, stroll in the mountains before going back to your luxury cars. I hope you enjoyed it once again, and let me know if you want to watch more of 360 virtual reality videos, and I would happily post more such videos. We have planned to go to more scenic spots in Hunan province that you actually haven't seen. There are 10 extremely beautiful spots in Hunan province, and we plan to go there time by time. So stay tuned on my channel for these travel vlogs, people, and give this video a big like, stay subscribed, and let me know how you like this video and how we can improve these videos for you to enjoy. Have fun. I'm outie. Stop recording.